Hello and welcome to Simple English Quick Lessons.
Hi, everyone. We're absolutely delighted you're here with us today.
I'm Elma.
And I'm Alex. We're here to help you practice natural, everyday English in a relaxed and friendly way.
If you're enjoying our lessons, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us continue making these videos for you.
Yes, your support means the world to us. Now, today's topic is one that affects every single person.
That's right. We're diving into daily routines.
Get ready to hear about the rhythm of our days from the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep.
So, Alex, before we jump in, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, actually. A little hungry, but great. How about you?
I'm good, but I'm slightly tired. I had a long day yesterday.
What happened yesterday?
Oh, I stayed up late reading. I couldn't put the book down.
Classic Emma. Was it a mystery novel?
Of course, you know me too well.
Well, despite being tired, you're here. So let's talk about our daily routines. Who wants to go first?
I'll go first. Let me walk you through a typical weekday for me.
I'm all ears.
Okay, so my alarm goes off at 6 a.m. sharp. It's the sound of birds chirping, much gentler than a harsh beep.
That's actually a lovely way to wake up.
It is, but even with the gentle sound, I still struggle to get out of bed immediately. I usually lie there for about 5 minutes, scrolling through my phone.
We all do that. It's the modern morning ritual.
Exactly. Then I finally convince myself to get up. I swing my legs out of bed and my feet touch the cold floor. That's when I'm truly awake.
The cold floor, nature's alarm clock.
Yes. So I head straight to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It's incredibly refreshing and wakes me up completely.
Cold water? Not warm?
Nope, cold water all the way. Then I brush my teeth thoroughly for 2 minutes. I even set a timer on my phone.
You're very disciplined.
I try to be. After that, I go back to my bedroom and face the eternal question, what should I wear today?
Ah, yes, the daily dilemma.
I open my wardrobe and I look for something comfortable but professional, usually a blouse and trousers or sometimes a simple dress.
And you always look put together, so you're clearly doing something right.
Thank you. So once I'm dressed, I head to the kitchen. This is my favorite part of the morning, making breakfast.
What do you usually make?
I love making oatmeal with fresh fruit. I slice up a banana or add some strawberries. It's healthy and filling.
And to drink, let me guess, tea.
You know me. Yes, always tea. I make a cup of green tea or sometimes chamomile.
Never coffee?
Never. I'm just not a coffee person. The taste doesn't appeal to me.
Interesting. So how long do you spend on breakfast?
About 15 to 20 minutes. I sit at my small kitchen table and eat slowly. It's my moment of peace before the busy day begins.
That sounds therapeutic.
It really is. Then, at 7:15, I grab my bag and I leave my apartment. I walk to the bus stop. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Is it a pleasant walk?
Usually, yes. I see the neighborhood waking up, people walking their dogs, shop owners opening their stores. It's nice.
And the bus comes on time?
Most days, yes. The bus is scheduled for 7:25, and it's fairly reliable. The ride to school takes about 20 minutes.
What do you do during the bus ride?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes I listen to calm music with my earphones. Other times I just gaze out the window and watch the city go by. And occasionally, if I'm really into a book, I'll read.
That's a nice way to use your commute time. So you arrive at school around 7:50?
Exactly. I walk into the school building, go to my classroom, and prepare for the day. I turn on the lights, check my lesson plan, arrange the materials I need.
You teach English to kids, right?
Yes, I teach children between the ages of 7 and 10. They're at the perfect age, curious, energetic, and still excited about learning.
That must be both rewarding and exhausting.
You hit the nail on the head. It's incredibly rewarding, but yes, it can be draining. My first class starts at 8:30.
How many classes do you teach in a day?
I teach 4 classes total. Each class is 1 hour long, so that's 4 hours of teaching, plus preparation time and breaks in between.
That's a lot of interaction.
It is. By the end of the day, my voice is tired and my energy is low, but the kids make it worthwhile.
When do you have your lunch break?
At 12:30, I get 30 minutes, which isn't much, but it's enough.
What do you usually eat?
I pack my lunch at home the night before, usually a sandwich, maybe turkey or cheese, and I bring an apple or some grapes, and of course, a thermos of tea.
Always prepared. So after lunch, you have more classes.
Yes, 2 more classes in the afternoon. My last class ends at 4 p.m.
And then the journey home begins.
Exactly. I take the bus again. The afternoon bus is usually more crowded. Everyone's heading home at the same time.
Rush hour traffic?
Yes, so the ride can be a bit longer. I usually get home around 4:45 or 5 p.m.
What's the first thing you do when you walk through the door?
The first thing, I kick off my shoes. Then I immediately change into comfortable clothes, soft leggings and an oversized sweater.
The transformation from teacher Emma to home Emma.
Exactly. Then I give myself about 15 minutes to just decompress. I sit on my sofa and do absolutely nothing.
That's important. You need to shift from work mode to home mode.
Yes. After that, I start thinking about dinner, and you know I love cooking, so this is enjoyable for me.
What kind of meals do you make?
I keep it simple on weekdays, maybe pasta with vegetables, or rice with grilled chicken, or a hearty soup. I focus on healthy, home-cooked food.
That's impressive. You actually cook every night.
Most nights, yes. It's relaxing for me. Plus, I know exactly what's going into my food.
And after dinner, what do you do with your evening?
That's my free time. Sometimes I bake. I love making muffins or cookies. Other times I read for an hour or two. And I always check on my cactus plants.
Your beloved cactus collection.
Hey, don't laugh. They're wonderful, low maintenance, and beautiful.
How many do you have now?
8. They're lined up on my windowsill.
8 cacti versus 1 orange cat. I think my pumpkin requires more attention.
Pumpkin. That name still makes me laugh.
It's an adorable name.
If you say so. Anyway, around 10:30, I start my nighttime routine.
Tell me about this nighttime routine.
Sure. First, I take a warm shower. Not too hot, just comfortably warm. Then I do my stretching exercises for about 10 minutes. It helps me relax and sleep better.
You're so dedicated with the stretching.
I try to be consistent. After stretching, I get into bed and read for maybe 20 minutes. Then I turn off the light and fall asleep, usually by 11.
That's a very structured evening. You really have your routine down to a science.
I guess I do. Okay, now it's your turn, Alex. Tell everyone about your daily routine.
All right. Fair warning, my routine is much less organized than yours.
I'm not surprised.
Hey. Okay, so my alarm is set for 7 a.m., but here's the thing, I don't actually get up at 7.
Let me guess. You hit snooze?
Multiple times. I hit snooze at least twice, so I actually roll out of bed around 7:20.
That doesn't leave you much time.
I know, but I'm not a morning person. I need those extra 20 minutes of sleep.
So what happens after you finally wake up?
I stumble to the bathroom, still half asleep, then I jump in the shower. I take morning showers because they help wake me up.
How long do you shower?
About 10 minutes. The warm water is like magic. It transforms me from zombie Alex to functional Alex.
That's quite a transformation.
It is. Then I brush my teeth, comb my hair quickly, and get dressed.
What do you wear to work?
My office has a casual dress code, so I usually wear jeans and a comfortable t-shirt or a casual button-down shirt. Nothing fancy.
That must be nice. I have to look professional every day.
One of the perks of working in IT. So, after I'm dressed, I head to the kitchen for breakfast.
What's your typical breakfast?
Very simple. I make toast, usually 2 slices, and I spread butter on them. Sometimes I add jam if I'm feeling adventurous.
And coffee?
Oh yes, coffee is essential. I make a big cup of coffee. I can't function without it.
How much coffee do you drink in a day?
Usually 2 cups, one at home in the morning and another one at the office around 10 a.m. when I start feeling sluggish.
Don't you drink coffee in the afternoon?
No, I'm very strict about that. I don't drink any coffee after 3 p.m. because I want to be able to sleep well at night.
That's smart. At least you have some discipline.
I try. So after breakfast, I grab my keys, my phone, my work bag, and I leave, usually around 8.
And you drive to work?
Yes, I have a car. The drive takes about 25 minutes on a good day, maybe 30 if traffic is heavy.
Do you enjoy the drive?
Honestly, sometimes. It depends on the traffic. But I always listen to music, calm instrumental music, and that helps me feel relaxed before work starts.
That's a good strategy. So you arrive at the office around 8:30.
Right around 8:30, yes. I park my car, walk into the building, say good morning to a few colleagues, and head to my desk.
What's the first thing you do at your desk?
I turn on my computer, and while it's starting up, which takes forever by the way, I get myself a glass of water.
Staying hydrated.
Exactly. Then, once my computer is finally ready, I check my emails. There are always so many emails waiting for me.
The curse of office work.
Tell me about it. After clearing my inbox, I dive into my actual work. I write code, I fix technical problems, I help my teammates with their issues.
That sounds complex.
It can be, but I actually enjoy it. It's like solving puzzles all day. There's something satisfying about fixing a problem that seemed impossible.
I can understand that. When do you break for lunch?
At noon, I get a full hour for lunch, which is nice.
Lucky. So what do you do for lunch?
Well, this is where I'm a bit lazy. I usually order food from a restaurant nearby.
You don't bring lunch from home?
Rarely. I know I should, but in the morning I'm too rushed and too tired to prepare anything, so ordering's just easier.
What kinds of food do you order?
It varies. Sometimes a sandwich from the deli, sometimes fried rice or noodles from the Asian restaurant, sometimes a burrito. I like variety.
That must add up financially.
It does, but I consider it a trade-off. It saves me time and effort in the morning.
Fair enough. So after lunch, back to work?
Yes, I work straight through the afternoon until 5:30. That's when my workday officially ends.
And then you drive home?
Yep, the drive home is usually a bit longer because of rush hour traffic. I get home around 6 or sometimes 6:15.
What's the first thing you do when you get home?
The very first thing? I greet Pumpkin.
Your cat.
Yes, he always meows loudly when I open the door. He's happy to see me. I pet him for a minute, and then I go change into comfortable clothes.
What do you change into?
Sweatpants and an old t-shirt. The transition from office Alex to relaxed Alex is complete.
I love how you describe it. So what about dinner?
Ah, dinner. Here's where I really show my laziness. I usually order food again.
Again? You don't cook at all?
Well, I can cook basic things, scrambled eggs, a simple pasta, maybe a grilled cheese sandwich, but after a day of work, I just don't have the energy or motivation, so I order.
What kinds of food do you order?
It varies. Sometimes pizza, especially on Fridays. Other times Thai food, Indian curry, burgers. I like exploring different restaurants.
At least you have variety.
Exactly. So I eat my dinner, usually while watching something on my laptop or playing with Pumpkin.
And then your evening activities?
I'm pretty relaxed in the evenings. I might watch a mystery movie, you know I love those, or I'll play with Pumpkin for a bit. Sometimes I read the mystery novel you recommended to me.
Oh, you're still reading it?
Yes, I'm about halfway through. It's really gripping. You have good taste in books.
I told you you'd like it.
You were right. So I spend my evening doing these relaxing activities, and then around 11 or 11:30, I start feeling sleepy.
Do you have a nighttime routine?
Not really. I'm very simple. I just brush my teeth, maybe wash my face quickly, and then I crawl into bed.
No stretching, no reading?
Nope. I just get into bed and I'm asleep within minutes.
You're so low maintenance.
I take pride in my simplicity.
Well, everyone listening, you can see how different our routines are. I wake up earlier, Alex sleeps in. I cook all my meals, Alex orders food. I take the bus, Alex drives.
But both routines work for us. That's the beauty of it. There's no single correct daily routine.
Exactly. Your routine should fit your life, your personality, and your needs.
Now, let's talk about how you can discuss daily routines in English. If you want to ask someone about their routine, you can say, "What time do you usually wake up?"
Or, how do you get to work? That's asking about their commute.
You can also ask, "What do you typically do in the evenings?"
And, what time do you usually go to bed?
These questions help you learn about someone's daily life. They're perfect for friendly conversations.
Now, let's review some important vocabulary from today. The first word is routine.
Routine. Routine. It's a noun. A routine is a sequence of actions that you regularly follow, especially at a particular time.
For example, my morning routine takes about an hour. It means all the things I do every morning.
Perfect example. The next word is commute.
Commute. Commute. It's both a noun and a verb. It means the journey you take to get to work or school.
As a noun, my commute is 25 minutes long. As a verb, I commute by car every day.
Great explanation. The next word is decompress.
Decompress. Decompress. It's a verb. It means to relax and release stress or tension.
When I get home from work, I need 15 minutes to decompress. It means I need time to relax and let go of work stress.
Excellent. And our final word is therapeutic.
Therapeutic. Therapeutic. It's an adjective. It means something that has a healing or calming effect, something that makes you feel better.
For example, I find cooking very therapeutic. It means cooking helps me feel calm and happy.
So those are our 4 vocabulary words: routine, commute, decompress, therapeutic.
Try to use them when you describe your own daily routine. And speaking of your daily routine, we have a question for you today.
Here it is. What is one thing you do every single day that makes you happy? It could be drinking your morning coffee, walking your dog, reading before bed, anything.
Please share your answer in the comments. We genuinely read every comment and we'd love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We really appreciate it.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.